Hi there, this is Michelle with Swann Realty Group. And are you trying to decide if it's a good time to sell your house right now or if it's better to wait? Well, here's what you should know about today's housing supply and how it may be the sweet spot that you've been looking for. This graph shows the growing supply of homes for sale this year. Notice the big increase we've seen since January. But perspective is very important. Historically, we still need twice as much inventory as we have today to be in what we'd call a normal or balanced market. That's why we're still in a seller's market. Believe it or not, in most areas, there still aren't enough homes available for sale to meet today's demand. So what does that mean for you? There's a buyer demand out there for your house. And at the same time, you should also have more options to choose from when you move. So if you've been putting off your plans to sell, now may be the time to jump right in. So let's connect and talk about listing your current home so that you can move into the home that you've been dreaming of.